How to move a table in Google Docs. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Docs. Simply select the table, right-click on it, and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find Table Properties. Click on Table Properties, and then go to Quick Layouts, which is the first option. You'll find different layouts for your table as you want. Simply select the layout as you will find 9 layout. You can select any layout you want. In this way you can move table. This is how to move a table in Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.